Airlines Vacation, free ebook getaway. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Airlines Vacation. Hi, my name is Lisa, and today I've got something incredibly exciting for you. We love bringing you the best travel tips, deals, and inspiration, but today we want to show our appreciation for you, our amazing viewers, in a big way. That's right, we're giving away a free downloadable copy of my ebook travel guide for beginners to the first 5,000 of you who take a few simple steps. This guide is packed with all the essential information you need to plan your dream vacation, even if you've never traveled before. Here's how you can claim your free ebook. Click the link in the description below, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, type the word travel in the comment section below. Once you've completed these steps, we'll send you your free ebook as a thank you for your incredible support. We want to help you make your travel dreams a reality, and this free ebook is just one way we can show our appreciation. Whether you're planning a beach getaway, a mountain adventure, or a city escape, we've got you covered. Remember, this offer is only for the first 5,000 viewers who complete all the steps, so don't miss out. Just click the link, subscribe, like, share, and comment travel to claim your free ebook. Thank you so much for being a part of the Airlines Vacation family. We can't wait to see where your travels take you, and don't forget to claim your free ebook. See you in the next video.